Hey, Andrew. Whoa. Anyways, um, today I want to talk more about flat Earth. Um, Philosophically, kind of, not like literally right now. Um, there's like so many ways you can look at it. Like when you first look at a person, you look at them at like face value because you don't know their ideas, and it's like when you see a statistics thing or like a graph on population, like it's face value. It's just flat. Um, if you look back in records of history, though, that's kind of like adding dimensions to it, in my opinion. Like history or whatever, that's like the depth of the earth. Where if you look in history, you can find, or like ideology or philosophy, you can find like you can put depth behind the ideas that are now face value. So there's your 3D. Back to 1D. Um, Another thing is like the technology age and communication age has made everything like that's make like the technology and communication is like the 3D, and we're sitting here on the flat part, and like all these waves going around there. We're using all the atmosphere and the like all the construction is like the 3D, and all the tech like waves going back and forth are like the 3D, but we're on like the flat part because like we're just using everything around us. So to us, the Earth is flat because like as long as we have somewhere to stand, we're just gonna use the things around us until it's flat. I mean, that's like theoretically impossible, but like at the same time, like all these computer images and everything else, like the atmosphere is like creating a round bubble around the Earth. But like, if we're using it all, is that part of Earth anymore? Is that part of our technological advancement? Um, the third concept I want to run by is a map. Maps are flat, and the reason I want to look at it that way is because all government. I mean, you can look at a globe, but like all governments for war and everything else status is like a map, which is flat. Um, and basically, if you fall from like this part of the map to this part of the map, face value, you're not on our side anymore. You're on this side, so you have fallen off the face of our Earth. We will attack you. No, we might. I don't know. Depends where you move to. Depends what you're doing. So those are just like some philosophical ish ideas for like another concept of the Earth being flat. Like if we're using all this stuff around us, and the only thing we have is like a disc that we're standing on. So like as we use the Earth to make more technology, like what's man-made and what's the Earth anymore. So thank you. Bye.